Okay, so let's have a look at the LEDs in regards to the differences now and the more that we can do with them. So if we have a look in here, we've got our LEDs starting at 61. So if we bring up 61 and we're in the right page, as you can see, that's an LED now. All our LEDs now, our park ends, are individual. Not like before where the whole bar would come up. Now we can control them individually.
So every fixture is individually DMX'd now. So there's nothing grouped together.
Oh, I bet that was fun.
The bars here.
It's just readdressing, really. It was actually
it was pretty easy.
Not too bad.
Because the thing you can do with this board is, if you need to group them together, you just group them together. You just bring them up at the same time, and
you just bring them up,
group together.
But you know how everyone wants, oh, can we just have red over that side? Yeah, sure. Now we can do it.
Yeah.
No, you may not. Yeah.
Now on the touch screen here at the moment, we're in the programming page. But if you press palette, because we've got an LED
This
up,
might be my favourite
we get
thing
this.
about it.
Yeah.
The touchscreen part.
So this
colour
bit,
palette
in
thing.
regards to colours, there's a couple of different things we do. We've got our picker here, which all we do is we just hit a different colour and it'll change colour. So green, red, I mean, we just move it around and it'll do a little chaser for us. Yeah. Or you go into Lee filters, basically gives you gels.
So these are, Lee is one of the main, Lee and Roscoe are the two main gel manufacturers. And what Lee came up with for this was what they decided were complementary colors. So they came up with, when you go into these sections, it says, say, candlelight. If you click on candlelight, the second one down there, those ones there are complementary colors that Lee have created. They say that these complement each other. So you don't have to use them. It's just stuff that they.
It's handy if you know when we're dealing with clients and they go, so what's the sort of mood? Oh, I don't know, and they might say aggressive. Okay, cool. Now I've got some colours to choose from.
Yeah. Now on that one, for example, let's say you really liked dark green. You see how it says L124? L124 is the number of the gel.
Oh, cool.
So if you wanted to go out and buy a gel that would be that color, that's what you order, an L124.
Okay, I really dig that.
Yeah.
It's a good way to actually look at gel colours.
Yeah.
And go, oh, that would work.
Yeah. Now, what if I wanted all three of those in that color, Johnny?
Okay. So, at the moment we've just got the one up. You bring up the others, and its default is just white. Yeah. But now that they're all up, I'll bring up that one as well. We go back into that mood filter. Which one was it?
Candlelight.
Candlelight.
Oh, no, aggression for the dark green.
Ah, yes, it was. Aggression for the dark green, and they'll all go green.
Handy.
But if you wanted to change just one, so maybe you wanted to change the middle one, deselect those, leave that one selected. The middle one will be red and the outer ones will be green.
Cool.
Or again, you can just go to the picker.
Yep. So if we go to picker and do...
You'll have to select all three, Johnny. Yep.
And do this, it'll spread that colour across those 3 points. So if you've got 12 lights along there, it will
look really
it'll
cool.
basically do a rainbow across the stage. You've got it's like a little dimmer there if you want. Yep. Yeah. And also you've got the ability, if you set a colour that you haven't found, you've actually made it by yourself, and you go, I really want to use that colour through the whole show, you save it here, you go to your own palette, and you can bring that colour back whenever you want.
Yeah, so you can create your specific colours for the show. That you say you've got a specific colour you want to just keep using over and over and over, you can just call it up.
Colour thing is the only thing I retained from watching YouTube videos.
Cool.
Colour theory.
Okay, now we've got some effects here as well. What was it, the fader that was okay?
Yeah, fader.
Fader was okay. So these will just do, it'll just do this fader. And by itself, there's not much to it. It's just a fade. But
I want it a bit faster, Johnny.
You want it a bit faster?
Yes.
See our little spin wheels here? So we can speed that up so it flashes more. So all of a sudden we've got a strobe. Or we can slow it down.
Now what I want is for it to go one, then the next, then the next.
Okay. forward offset individually, which basically means it'll fire one, then the other one, then the other one.